In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone access in Google Meet. If people can't hear you in a Meet call, it's usually because your browser hasn't been allowed to use the microphone. Let's fix that together. First, sign into your Google account and join your meeting as you normally would, either from a calendar invite or a meeting link. Once you're in, take a look at the toolbar along the bottom of the screen. If your microphone is blocked by the browser, you'll see that the mic icon looks muted and you may notice a small information indicator, the letter I, near it. That's your clue that the site doesn't have permission yet, so even if you click unmute, no one will hear you. To enable access, move your cursor up to your browser's address bar. Click the Site Information button, which is usually a small lock icon to the left of the website address. Depending on your browser, this icon might look slightly different, but it opens the same kind of site settings panel. When the panel appears, look for the microphone permission. If it's set to block or ask, change it to allow. This tells your browser that Google Meet is permitted to use your microphone on this site. After switching it to allow, return to your meeting tab. In many cases, the change takes effect right away, and the microphone icon on the Meet toolbar will look active when you unmute. If you see a small notification from your browser confirming the permission change, just acknowledge it so the setting is applied. From here, click the microphone button in the meeting to unmute and speak. You should see the visual audio indicator react to your voice, confirming that sound is coming through. If the browser asks for additional permissions for this site, such as a pop-up asking to use your microphone, click Allow. This approval only applies to the Meet site you're on, and you can always revisit the same site information panel later to change it back if needed. A quick tip: if you use more than one microphone, Meet lets you pick the input in its settings once permission is granted. That can help you choose a headset or external mic without changing your computer system settings. That's it. You've successfully enabled microphone access in Google Meet. Join your next call with confidence, unmute when you're ready, and your voice should come through clearly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up fast.